Hello folks, it's me again. Just a little update of what I've been doing in the bike here, and I'll show you. Basically I've been putting this fancy gizmo together, and it's coming up pretty good. I'll turn the camera on, I'll show you. I'm staring that way because I don't know where the camera is, so I'm looking that way. I think if I look that way, it's kind of weird, this thing, so yeah. I will, what do you call it, I'll turn the camera on, I'll show you, so stay tuned. So far what I've done is I put little rubber nubs in because those are easy. I put the knob here so you don't forget it. These are original knobs. They're a rubber piece. These things are a pain in the ass to get in. I've been orienting myself in which way the pivot bolts go in. I just put that one in place for now. I'm awaiting the battery box and some rubber mounts. The seat can actually go on. It's not the right color seat. I put the pivot bolts right here where they go. Don't mind the other bike parts. What else? There's, I did this too. I fit these on here. I was waiting for a few bolts. I was waiting for a washer underneath until I found one. I installed the, what do you call it? Lock on here, which you can see it actually works. It's not in the right place for it to work. But the metal plate here, I'm sending another one of those to get powder coated. You'll see I have brand new bolts. They don't make these bolts anymore. There's also fender bolt here. That's brand new bolts. Those are brand new bolts. I'm waiting for there's two bolts that go in here. There's a metal, I don't know what the hell it's called. It's a little metal plate. I have one of them. I'm going to send that to get powder coated, but I found a new old stock one on eBay. Is it on eBay? Yeah, on eBay. I found the brand new bolts for the helmet. The thing I put the light in just so I could see. I put these two bolts in. I couldn't find them. There's another fender bolt. I washed the rubber pieces. I put all the appropriate stuff inside all of the appropriate bells and whistles that go in here, including grease. I'm gonna have to take this off again anyway. And if you look at this piece, it goes up. You'll see that little knob goes up. The only year that Big Red had a steering lock was 1986. I do have the little rubber pieces for here. I have a bunch of other stuff. And as I go through it, right now I'm getting ready. I'm waiting. The damn steering's locked. I'm awaiting, before I can get it rolling, I sent I sent the forks, the bottom pieces, the little grape. There's the little, the bottom where it holds the wheels. I sent those to be powder coated, and I sent all the rims of the bike. So this is just what I got going so far. It's only a short video here, but this frame wasn't powder coated. It was painted at a place I was recommended by a heavy lacquer paint, and they went out of business halfway through me doing this. So probably going to put the this week I have if you look right over here, there's a rear swing arm footer, and that I have all the bolts coming in for it. I have all the bearings and all the pieces. I'm going to try to clean off my bench, assemble it, put the swing arm on, and I have where is it? Right now, this is about the nicest shock I could find. So it's going to go on there. It looks kind of okay. I have another coil being powder coated, so that'll be put on there. I have a shit ton of new bolts. This is what is this? Wheel bearing kit for the rear. So I have the whole rear wheel bearings, and on and on and on. So there's hitch bolts and front fenders. I got to send two trailer hitches out to get basically the trailer hitch cut off. I probably should cut off myself, and I'm going to get them powder coated. So if you want to, that's pretty cool. You can look at all the other shit in the background too. So yeah, this has a little bit of a pitting to it, but it was the only cage I had. Yeah, I sent the other one out. This is the 86 and 87 had you could see it was rusty and pitted. I'm going to put this on my daily rider and take my daily rider one or my emotional sport bike and switch it out. And I'm trying to find one that has the thin back here. I have one that's bent. I thought I had one. I bought another one on eBay for $25 just to, what do you call it? See if I can rebend it. It's got a little bend in it. If I can fix that one to my appropriate standard, or to my standards, which is pretty much, if it looks nice, it's good. So yeah, it's coming along. Once I get it rolling, once I get the rims back, I am going to put the tires on and put it on here. Right under here, there's look up M264 military mule. You'll see what is underneath the heel online, and you'll see what is in there. I'll try to post a picture in here. So stay tuned and keep watching. You'll see me driving a nice new bike. And then that bike over there is getting pieces switched out, and that one's going in the shed because I want to see if I can just get it running. Apparently it was running, but the gas tank brought it out on it. So that's a 200 no letter, which Dynamic Fender's for, and I have another one that I got even cheaper than that one. That one was like free, and that one was almost free. So thanks for watching. Toodles.